Okay, so this is the command called count in AutoCAD. I'm using AutoCAD Lite 2026. So let's go circle and draw some circles on your screen. What it's going to do, it's going to count all the circles. So if you've got a drawing with a load of circles in and you need to know how many you've got, this command is for you. So once you've got all your circles, obviously your drawing, you'll have these already drawn in. You type in the count command, hit return. Then it says specify first corner point of the count area. So you'll just put a box around your drawing. I'm going to put a box around these circles. Then it says select target object. So just select a circle, hit return. And there you go. It will say count, and there's 15 circles within that box. So you can also use this command for, say, rectangles. So let's get rid of those circles and let's draw a rectangle. Again, you'd have all these already drawn in your drawing. I'm just going to copy a load onto here. So just dot a load around. And again, so it's the same principle. You just type in count, hit return, put the box around your drawing, select one of the rectangles for your target, hit return, and there you go, 18. So I hope this helped, and if it did, please give it a thumbs up. Any questions, please drop us a comment. Cheers, guys.